Ooh, look at these. Oh, baby. Look at the spurs on that boy.
Yeah, really. Whoop, 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 whoop.
packing up on.
Huh?
They're packing up on.
Turkey was supposed to die.
I mean,
Huh?
20 more yards, and he was.
You see him?
They just,
Okay.
it's kind of from hardwoods to pines, just split. But there's an elevation change right up there.
Yep.
So it stays up on top of that hill probably.
Okay. I feel like they should be gobbling. It's weather.
Should already have one in our sack. Shit, I was shot that time.
Shot that.
God, I missed him. Stop and call, stop and call.
Yep.
Yeehaw.
I couldn't see him until that last second.
Really? Good shot, Will.
Oh no. Now let's go kill two more of them.
Man, that's awesome. Dude, see them coming through the sunshine.
It's glowing up there.
Oh, glowing.
See, I was thinking they were still over here.
No, I saw these hens. So the hens came down first.
Could you not see him when I shot?
Yeah. But, so, he was up there at the top of the hill and just came down.
He was strutting the whole time. His hands had got on his ass back.
Were you able to see it at all?
I got the shot on him. on camera.
So
I couldn't see him until he came down that hill. I was behind this clump of trees here.
Backlit the sun.
That's cool.
The fan,
Dang.
the fan the whole way was just glowing.
That's awesome.
Yeah, white. Oh, white head.
Well, there's still about 17 more of them gobbling, so
Yeah.
we'll go get them now.
Go grab that thing here. Go bring him back.
All right, let's go get it.
Let's go get it. We had fun though, didn't we, Daddy?
That was good.
It was good. Man, it's beautiful country.
I wish.
Yeah. Ooh. Look at that thing. Oh, he's dead. Come on. I got him, Daddy! That's a beautiful turkey.
Good job, Will.
You're a definite. Got a little red on it. That's a horse.
Pretty.
Man, look at these. Oh, baby.
Look at the spurs on that boy.
Yeah, look. Yeah.
Good guy. Yeah. I'm used to only killing double beards, you know, or triple beards.
It's a nice size beard.
Man, you got a set of hooks on him, don't he? Biggest spurs I've ever killed on a turkey. On Mossberg. Trusty.
Alright. Alright. 1, 2, 3. Something.